Yeah, it's the BSN channel. Usually he does the intro, but I'm gonna start with the intro. Today's discussion is about my opinion on Azonto music and his opinion on Azonto music. So
It's gonna be the same.
you begin.
Well,
Introduce what Azonto is.
okay. My opinion of Azonto. It's not too bad. Not too bad. It's not too bad. It's new. Well, it's not new, but it's new-ish.
Yeah, it's newish. Well, it's meant to represent a traditional dance,
Yeah.
or from a tribe, the Ga tribe of Ghana. It's meant to be like an old
Yeah.
dance from that.
I don't personally like it. I'm not a fan of Azonto, but I can see why people like it. I'm not
Definitely see why people
a
like
massive
it.
fan of it. I just think it's a bit. It's too. I don't know. I wouldn't say too happy. I would just say it's a bit like American type of thing. You know, like like they feel like it seems as if they're like Americans or something. You know, I'm not dissing them. I'm not saying that.
No,
People
get it
dance,
out.
but I'm
Yeah.
just saying that it's what I'd expect from American. You know, like trying to like American wannabe. You know. What's your opinion? Like, cause I'm not too much of a fan, but
Alright,
I can listen to it.
alright, I don't want to get hates just because of this.
No dislikes.
So I'm gonna say what I like about it before I say what I don't like. Okay, there's 20% of Azonto I like. Okay, and that's probably the beat, like the instrumental. It's nice and jumpy, you know, makes you want to dance like this, you know. And that's why I understand there's a lot of dances that come with it, because it's definitely for the clubs. And I also like the way that it's given Africa or West Africa or Ghana, wherever, popularity. It's given us more fame, if you think about it.
Yeah.
What else do I like about it? I like it's united Africans. I can say that. There's other things I like about it. It's happy. It's not really negative. I mean, it's not sad. It's happy. I think that's about it. I mean, I've been fair. I don't like Azonto that much, but that's what I like about Azonto. What I don't like about Azonto, first of all, is it's a bit childish. If I'm to be honest, like I like the dances. I think it's entertaining for men and women in that sense, but all the complexity within lyrics and proverbs and meaningful lyrics, that's just gone out the window.
So, would you say that you prefer high life?
High life all day. That's not even a question. That's not even a question. That's like saying, do you like rap now or do you like raps in the golden age? You like rap in the golden age because that was the vintage rap. That was the pure form. Now we've got like a watered down culture of Africa. Yeah. But I don't want to step on the culture and just wash it away like that.
No, it's not too bad.
It's turned Americanized. I like the dances. That's quite unique. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite unique. I like the beat, as I said, but I don't like the lyrics. The lyrics are preschool, even pre-nursery lyrics. Seriously, like all you need to know is 2 lyrics and you've made a song. Like, for example, the table, 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 the table, 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 the table, 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 the chair, the chair, the chair. Like, come on, that's what it sounds like to me. Like, there's no meaningful lyrics. What happened to the lyrics of Daddy Lumba, Amachi Didi, Nana Achampong,
Nana and Pedu?
Whoa, that Nana and Pedu shouldn't even put them in the same list. Nana and Pedu is genius.
What's those African brothers?
Do your research.
What's those African brothers?
Yeah, that was his band, the African Brother. I've told you this in another video.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is, yeah, Azonto, I love the unity. I love the happiness it brings. All I'm asking is, let's bring the lyrics back. Because there's no lyrics. After listening to an Azonto song, yeah, ask the children that dance to it. Ask them what they learned. Hey, little kid, I saw you dancing to that Azonto song. What did you learn from that song?
Nothing much.
She chop my money, but I don't care. You don't care? She chop your money? Tell her to get her own money. What do you mean? She chop my money? What? I could come up with other examples, but I don't want to get sued or anything, okay?
Sued?
Yeah, because I'm talking about their song, okay? I love the song, okay? It's a great song. I just don't learn anything from it. I mean, if you're trying to say that all women are gold diggers, then that's not very nice.
Oh no, it's not.
She chopped my money. She chopped my money. I see the comedic value. It's funny. I'm not gonna lie. It's funny. It's funny. It's entertaining, but it's simple, childish. It's not sophisticated anymore. Like the lyrics used to be sophisticated. Like really, like not even like 7 years ago. The songs used to be good. The love songs used to have meanings, and the women and the men, they really felt the lyrics. Even Afori Amponsa, I didn't like him that much because I compared him to the high life musicians before him who were better. But his lyrics were still nice. They were nice and sweet lyrics. Didn't like the beat too much, but it was nice, sweet lyrics.
What song is that?
Now, do your research, man. You don't know Afori Amponsa. Seriously.
Yeah, I'm hoping this
He's
is
a pastor now, I think. Or something like that. Anyway, good luck to him. He's found God.
Oh, okay.
It's all good. But anyways, that's what I was saying. Yeah, the Azonto songs can't match up. So I'm saying, let's think of lyrics now. Like people like Sarkodie, they're okay. You know, he's a rapper. But since he's been doing Azonto, his lyrics has gone down.
Decreased.
Have you noticed that? His lyrics is not as good as it used to be. You remember that song when he was spitting with what's his name? Obrafour.
But
what would Obrafour say?
oh yeah.
Like he don't rap the same. But anyway, I don't want to talk about him because he actually has some substance in his lyrics. Not that much, let's just be real. But it has a bit of substance. But I don't want to make this video too long. The bottom line is, yeah, I don't see the complexity of Azonto. I see it as it being like a washed down version of our culture. Very washed down. And it kind of Americanizes or westernizes the culture.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Like, first of all, do people know where Azonto comes from?
No, I just think it's just a dance or something.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Do they know what tribe it comes from?
What tribe? What tribe?
The parents who let them watch these Azonto videos and listen to these Azonto lyrics, do they sit down and actually listen to them themselves and think, wow, this is really going to benefit my children? Like, songs back in the day, in the 60s, the 50s, the 70s, those Ghanaian songs had a meaning. They were teaching you. Like, for example, stories of a son who would leave his home and he would go through trials and tribulations. Or talk about a daughter who has to watch men, you know, because there's a lot of dangerous men out there. Like, there used to be songs that will educate a woman and a man as to what to do in the outside world. These songs encourage the opposite of those messages. I'm not saying don't have fun, don't drink, don't dance with women, and women don't dance with men. But I'm saying, like, make the lyrics a bit more complex. Like, say, she chops my money, I don't care because I love her. How about that?
What's wrong with that, though?
But they don't say because I love her. They says, but I don't care. Like, what do you mean you don't care? Like, what?
Yeah, he's rich, isn't it?
But not everyone's rich. She chopped my money. But... All right, I get it. That's not the best example. There's other songs, but because I don't like Azonto that much, I don't know the songs. Just improve the lyrics.
Please.
That's what I'm going to end on that.
Please.
I love the beats. I love the dance. I like most of the dance. Some of them are a bit too sexual, but let's not get too sexual with it. Yeah, like if it's gonna get sexual, just leave that in the bedroom or something. Like, let's not. Like our ancestors don't want to see that. They don't want to see that.
You never know.
But then again,
they might want to see it. You never
they
know.
used to, you know, some of the dances back in the day.
They might want to see it.
Maybe they did. Maybe they do. Maybe.
They may. You know, like they may want to see some.
All right. So okay, continue. But let's just improve the lyrics.
Yeah.
I don't want to hate on Azonto. I love the beats. I love the dance. I love the unity. I love the colors. I love the happiness. Let's just change the lyrics. Okay.
Please.
Add more words in the songs. Yeah. Not just 2 words for a chorus. And I want there to be a message. Have a message. Like I want to listen to the song and say, you know what?
I've learned something.
I'm gonna change what I'm gonna do. Like what I was gonna do before that song, I'm gonna do it different now.
Yeah. Do that. Yeah. I'm a different person. Newborn Christian.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a newborn
No,
Christian.
I don't know about that,
I'm
but
an atheist.
What I'm saying is like if you're doing the song, say the meaning behind the song. Don't just say, oh, I smashed the window. I smashed the windows. I smashed the window. How about I smashed the windows because she smashed my car. It only makes sense. Blah, blah. I know that's a horrible song. Don't dislike the video because of that. But it's an example.
Dislike, please. I'm not joking.
It's an example.
Don't, please. I have to feed my family.
It's an example of rubbish lyrics.
Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna end this. If you enjoyed, give us a thumbs up. If you love it, like you want to marry.
And if you dislike, say why.
Yeah.
Tell me why you don't want Azonto to be more lyrical and meaningful to the ears of your children. Tell me why.
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I want to know why. And just go and listen to some Nana and Pedu songs, yeah? Or any old song, City Boys band of the 60s or 70s. Listen to at least one song. Or even Amachi Didi. And then compare it to any Azonto song. Any Azonto song. Tell me. Is it even close? I'm getting heated up. Let's leave it. You end it. End it there.
Yeah, subscribe if you enjoy. Okay, I got to repeat myself. Just subscribe. And like. And don't dislike.
Making homemade salad. That's what we're doing.
Okay.
How are you feeling, cameraman?
I'm feeling good, you know.